about to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they about to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I want to talk to everybody. The title of this video is What is Manhood? The defining moment of a young man's life is when he reaches manhood. There are many examples of when a young man becomes an adult male. Some cultures believe it starts at the age 13 years old. Other cultures connect it to the young man's hunting and surviving ability. So, in today's society, what could measure when a young man reaches manhood? Question. In the dictionary, manhood is the state or period of being a man than a child. Manliness, courage, strength, sexual potency are how they describe it. The evolution of modern society puts the most important development of a young man's life as an afterthought. Young men coming of age should be celebrated as an important event. There needs to be standards and requirements that each young man must know and understand to realize they have reached the goal. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book, so you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Manhood is when a young man can make manly decisions and choices of moral value along with great reverence for human life. In my opinion, when you reach manhood, you can discern that. What standards and requirements should be a part of a young man's development to manhood? One of the most important and essential is an education, high school and college. The options for a young man without an education is limited to his physical and hands-on skills. Just as important would be the character of the young man based on his interactions with everyone around him. Each young man must be accountable for their actions. Becoming a man has plenty of positive prestige, but also requires high standards to live up to. This amazing point in a young man's life should be marked in time. One of the monumental milestones of a young man's life should be promoted, but it must be deserved and earned. You just don't wake up one day and the praise of reaching manhood is bestowed onto you. Everything has a purpose and a reason for existing. So go out and prove that you should be called a man. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Outta here, everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.